The world can feel so heavy sometimes. You might wake up in the morning already exhausted, already dreading another day. You might go to bed at night feeling like nothing you did today really mattered. And you start to wonder if you'll ever feel joy again, or if you'll ever see the light you've been praying for. But here is what you need to know. No matter how thick the darkness seems around you, it cannot put out the light of Allah's mercy. It cannot overpower His ability to guide you back. Even if your heart feels like it's buried under layers of sadness and sin, the spark is still there, and it only takes one sincere moment of turning to Him for it to catch fire again. Have you ever noticed how the night feels darkest right before dawn? That is how your hardship works too. Sometimes Allah lets you reach your lowest point, not to break you, but to show you that He is the only one who can lift you up. And when you realize that He has been the light in your darkness all along, that's when everything begins to change. The Quran tells us so beautifully, with hardship comes ease. And notice it doesn't say after hardship comes ease, but with it. This means the light is already there. Even if you can't see it yet, it is there, hidden in the very hardship you're facing now. It may come in the form of a kind word from someone you didn't expect. It may come as a sudden moment of clarity when you realize that you are stronger than you thought. It may come as an unexpected opportunity, or simply a moment of peace in the middle of the chaos. But you have to keep your eyes open to find it, because the more you focus only on what you've lost, the harder it is to see what Allah is still giving you. Start noticing the small mercies. The fact that you woke up this morning while others didn't. The fact that you still have the ability to turn to Him while others have forgotten how. The fact that no matter how far you feel you've strayed, the door of His forgiveness has not been shut. This is how you find light in the darkness, not by waiting for your life to become perfect, but by seeing the blessings He has already placed along your path. Step by step, you begin to realize that even the darkness has a purpose, because it makes the light shine that much brighter when it finally comes. And when it does, you will know without a doubt that Allah was with you all along. If there is one quality that can carry you through the storms of life, it is sabr, patience. Patience does not mean that you never feel sad or frustrated. It does not mean you never cry or question why something is happening to you. Rather, patience means you choose not to let those feelings push you away from Allah. It means you keep going even when everything inside you is telling you to stop. You see, sabr is not passive, it is active. It is a conscious decision you make every day to trust the process, to keep showing up, and to wait for Allah's timing even when you don't understand it. Think of the farmer who plants his seeds. He works the soil, he waters it, he protects it from harm, and then he waits. He cannot force the seed to grow overnight. He cannot rush the harvest. But he trusts that something is happening beneath the surface even when he cannot see it yet. That is exactly what sabr looks like in your heart. Even when your dua seems unanswered, even when your pain feels endless, even when others around you seem to be moving forward while you feel stuck, you stay the course because you believe that Allah's timing is perfect, and you believe that no effort you make for His sake is ever lost. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "No fatigue, no disease, no sorrow, no sadness, no hurt, no distress befalls a Muslim, even if it were the prick he receives from a thorn, but that Allah expiates some of his sins for that." This means even the smallest pain you endure is not for nothing. Imagine the reward for holding on patiently through the kind of hardship you are facing now. But patience is not just about waiting. It is about how you wait. Do you spend your waiting complaining and despairing? Or do you spend it in prayer, in gratitude for what you still have, in quiet trust that Allah knows what you do not?